Wes Winsor Law, Getting Things Done, presents Legacy Planning 101. What is legacy planning? It is a way to change your family tree. Legacy planning is used by families to not only influence future generations, but also incentivize and empower them. I think that we have all seen examples of those who have inherited a large sum of money on Monday and then on Tuesday or soon after have went out and bought a new car or shiny, expensive toy. It is interesting to think of how much time and effort the earner of that money took making the money versus the time it took the receiver to spend it. If the beneficiary remembers the donor at all, it might be a fleeting thought when someone asked him or her how they paid for their new toy. One way to think of legacy planning is to imagine a resume. If you could give your heirs bullet points on their resume that would help them through life, what would be on it? What does it take to succeed in life and build character at the same time? I personally think that basic maintenance and repair skills on a home or car can be extremely helpful. When I find someone that works on their own cars, remodels their own home, or even patches their own drywall, they move up several notches in my book. These so-called do-it-yourself skills are very useful in life, but unless you learn them when you are young, you never seem to have the time to learn them later. So how would I, as a parent and future grandparent, help my children and grandchildren to learn these skills? I would put a provision in my trust that will give $1,000 or $2,000 to any one of my children who works in a construction or auto repair related industry for 6 months. There are many life experiences that you have to chase after, and they are typically not exciting by themselves, but they are life enriching. The price of tuition of these experiences is typically not an accurate reflection of their true value over time. Additional monetary compensation can persuade the heir to get out of their comfort zone and help them develop more confidence and abilities. I have briefly compiled a list of experiences or bullets on a life resume that I think are important. Take a look. Getting married. Staying out of debt. Graduating or getting good grades while in school. Gaining experience abroad in a foreign country. Starting a business. Joining Toastmasters. Getting published. In the end, your values and what you consider important will determine the items on your list. But every gift received by your heirs will remind them of your personality and values. They will come to know you and what you stood for long after you're gone. Then, like the pharaohs of old, you will have left your legacy. This type of estate planning is practical and functions in passing on wealth, but also experience that money can't buy. For more information on legacy planning, please visit www.weswindsorlaw.com. Thanks for watching.